That is neat. Oh, it's like 2 cars in one.
Oh my god, I can't wait to get like a lot of
customers.
customers.
See the shape of the
Like
battery.
last time Songbird opened up a store called Songbird Salon. I call
So
it
basically,
Tempest
the car
Shadow
has some
Secret
batteries, and those are triple A.
Secret Salon. Totally.
I thought that was true. I don't have one. I know I don't have 9 volts.
Hi Tempest Shadow. Hi Songbird Serenade.
Do you
I'm here to buy those
my
eggs.
alarm.
Okay.
It went beeping one day.
I worked at my store last time. I closed it and then it's coming back.
I am so sorry. I don't know what I'm thinking. Well, anyways, in this tray.
Oh, that's nice.
Now, so whatever the car, whatever it takes, then.
You can just wait in line.
Oh, thank
I
God.
want those eggs. Seriously. Why? It's the best thing in this whole store. And why? It has the most horrific faces on them. Okay, that will be $3. Woo!
Alright, put the car down.
I'm scared.
Sorry. You can go in line. Waka. Waffle.
Oh, look.
I'm totally awesome. I can see a rainbow
Let's see.
when your tears is falling down.
Oh, let me see the car.
When the sun comes down. Wait. Did I do my homework?
Yeah, the car needs this. Yeah, that was from this morning.
Is that camera?
Yep, hold on, let me unscrew this and
I'll leave that there for now.
Yeah. Totally.
so I guess on this side.
Finally, she's in line. Yeah, apparently. Oh. My stuff's falling down. There we go. Nice and safe and sound. Dude, those are apples. No, they're not. They're lemon circles. They're apples. Wait a second.
Does it say can't
It's her! Hi, Tempest Shadow. I'm Lyra. My channel, Lyra's Plated Pancakes, LPS version. I'm Vanilla, and she looks like one of the kitty crew. And I, sir, ma'am, I'm there. I'm Tempest Shadow. I work on this is called Tempest Shadow Secret Salon. So what do you want? Can we have one of those peppermints? Yes, buy them.
There we go. Alright.
Oh. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Can't wait to try it.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh, there we are.
Darling, check it out. I can't wait to see it out. Totally. I agree. God, you don't have to yell in my face. Sorry. Okay. On the count of 3 to eat. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Thanks for eating. I want to wait in line. Your waiting's done. You can buy your price. Yay! Boo boo! A boo boo! It'll hatch in any moment. I smell chicken. Fresh chicken. Orange store chicken fry. Orange store chicken fry. What? I don't know. I watched All About Meat and I didn't know it. I keep forgetting and forgetting and forgetting. What's happening? I have no clue. Something's happening.
Oh, I
Ah!
don't know. 'Cause this side is
Ah!
like
The world is shaking. Yes. Ah.
Got really
Oh, this
massacred
hurts.
with a hurricane.
Oh,
Several years back, but I didn't remember or didn't know. Yeah.
Yeah,
That
Remember.
sounds
that
familiar.
sounds familiar.
What's happened to us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh no, it's happening again. Oh, it's happened. Huh? Huh? Where am I? Why am I?
Cool.
Then why? What happened to us? We switched bodies.
This
Oh my god. I can't believe we switched our bodies. Oh, yeah. In real life? the heck out of me.
Look, it was white. Now look, Graham.
Hold on, Flicker.
Oh yeah, I really love the episode of Gravity Falls. I can't wait until episode 6, 7, and then 8, the finale. But season 2 is the only one who only has 10 episodes. Yeah, totally. Come to think of it, that's awesome.
Batman.
Bikes. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. We just switched our bodies. Yeah, like, really. Mamma mia! This can only mean one thing. Disturbing the rest of the disturbing Booyork people. The ghouls have been used about the total nerds. With every 911 single lemonade stand will be transformed into the kitty crew. Oh my god, we just got back from the store. Yeah, like totally. I don't like switching bodies. That's not accurate at all. Yep. Yep. Okay, what about this? And you turn on the music when we go into the park. I'm getting so hydrophobic. Everything is so fishy. Laguna! This music again. This is all my fault. I can't do this music. Do something, Laguna. What am I supposed to do? Let's go back. Okay, is everybody grouped up? This is nonsense about what people have done to switch bodies. Is that a pig? Did it work? Especially, yes, it did work. Woo! It worked! I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! I'm going. Dance party! This is crazy. You can have this stuffed bear. Hey look, it's a bear. Is it dead? Is she dead or is he dead? No, I'm a living, breathing creature. Fabulous. Love is like a song.